Hey guys, I'm back with another tutorial for you, so stay tuned on how to get this look. So as usual, I'm going to start with my Plouise base, and this is shade number 8, and I'm using my Peaches and Cream PC10 brush, and I'm just buffing and patting this into my lid, making sure there's an even coverage. I'm now using the Secret Sinner palette, and I'm taking the shade Addicted with a Zoeva 228 brush, and I'm just buffing this in my crease and at the outer edge of my eye. So I'm now going to blend out that shade with the shade Infatuation with my Makeup Addiction Cosmetics Diffused Blender brush. So I'm now using the Carnival XL Pro palette, and I'm taking the shade Lights Out with my Makeup Addiction Cosmetics Tapered Crease brush, and I'm just concentrating that more in the outer edge of my eye also, just for depth. Now using the shade Lit with a Zoeva 224 brush, and I'm just bringing this across next to the first blend that I did. And I'm going in with the shade Keen and with the same 224 brush, but obviously a clean one. And I'm just placing this on like the outer edge of my crease, or it's more like near my brow bone actually. So I'm cutting my crease with the Plouise base in shade 2, and I'm using my Masterstroke brush number 6 to do this. Now taking the shades Mood, Funky and Lit, and I'm going to be creating like a colourful liner, and then we're going to cut the crease again. So we're going to have that liner effect with these colours as a crease cut. So I'm now applying these colours again to my lid, but I'm applying it in reverse order as I did on my on the first cut crease that I did. So I'm taking the base in shade 2 again, and I'm creating a liner, and we're going to use the same colours as we did for the first liner effect that we did, and this is a Morphe M505 brush. I applied some black liner to my waterline, and now I'm just cleaning up with the Plouise base in shade 8, and I'm going to apply the shade Addicted again, but using a MAC 239 brush, and I'm just blending that in and then blending a bit of black shadow also. So I added some lashes and some inner corner eye highlights, and I'm done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you like this look. See you again soon. Bye. Mwah.